Everyone wanted a tutorial for the last work, so I made one. You can tweak the effects yourself. I'll give a general guide, and if you need more details, just ask. This tutorial needs some basic operational skills.
I have additionally incorporated a key display feature within the Blender interface. To facilitate operation for everyone, I shall highlight the essential steps, and I will not spend time on superfluous talk. The 2 steps previously mentioned were to preserve the shape during the subdivision process. 3 levels of subdivision are adequate in this context. In version 4.4 of High Precision Sculpting, utilize these 3 tools, beginning with the initial 2 to generate scratches. The third one can flatten the protruding surfaces, and you can make scratches according to your preference. After resizing, ensure that you apply it, otherwise there will be complications when creating chamfers. You just need to watch, it's all very basic operations. You can directly download and enable the Loop plugin in Blender Plugins. It's key to habitually apply transformations. The reason for dividing it into 2 episodes is to have more grids for the water model. If you want a good effect, take some time to find good celery, and I'll just briefly go over it.
Render with cycles.
If after linking you find that the water surface has a mosaic and is not smooth, just open the edit mode, press Shift+M to recalculate the method node and place it here for everyone to see. Adjust the refractive index on the glass. Then add the document I gave you into the system. Hold Shift and first click the model you want to associate, then click the associated model. All operation keys are on the screen. The brick is too big, and although the model has been enlarged, the UB doesn't have the gold UB mode. Just enlarging it a bit would be fine. TikTok. Increasing the metallic level at this point can enhance the reflection. The environmental world within the Blender sphere is unable to be rendered.
It is essential to incorporate an HDR image within the world node. Modify the illumination based on your personal preference. Copy the plane, make the water surface effect, then split it with the P key. Subsequently, connect and generate. Add the technique in, and you can place it according to your own ideas. Open the shader editor. create a new image texture, and connect the nodes. Click this copy button to separate the material list without affecting any other associated materials. Add a node to the color for quick and easy adjustments. Place these 3 items into a collection and utilize the particle system afterward. If you replicate a plane in this specific location to generate a particle emitter directly on the object, the leaf, being a plane, will intersect through it. Change the rendering to rotate the selected objects as a group. This way, you can direct the particles toward the plane. Deselect the display emitter option to ensure that the plane underneath will not be rendered. Modify the height until it nearly aligns with the plane beneath. The steps in the back are like those in the front. Ensure that you disable the transmitter. It hasn't been demonstrated here. Everyone needs to uncheck the option to display the emitter, so it won't duplicate. I've already pulled the plane up on the net. Once you're finished with the particle system, simply pull it back. Subdivisions insufficient, making weight plotting impossible.
We only need to know where we want the leaves to be.
The default name is a group. Open the particle system and scroll to locate the vertex group. If there happens to be an overlap, simply reduce the size slightly. Given that it's a plane with an alpha channel, overlapping will occur, and that's where it concludes. It's not overly complicated, it's all quite fundamental, and anyone can incorporate their preferred elements.